Everyone, my name is Lisa. I am one of the educators in Blooms. Today I will be showing you a DIY activity that you can do at home with your children. It is very simple. You can just draw it up yourself, or you can use stickers, whichever you like. And then all you need is a few pom-poms that have the same colour. And this activity is very simple, it's very easy. It works on the children's colour recognition as well as helping them learn how to count. So you can ask them what colour this is, they can tell you, and then you'll have them put it down and you can have them count 1. You can ask them the colour again, have them count 2. Very easy. Thank you.